Hello guys, welcome to our channel Foodaholic, and today on our channel we are going to make crispy potato strips. So let's get into the video. So to make crispy potato strips, I have taken some boiled potatoes. Now I will add corn flour to it, 5 tablespoons corn flour, ginger garlic paste, सूखा धनिया पाउडर, chili powder, oregano, please add salt according to your taste. Now we will mix it and make a dough. Now our dough is prepared. Now let's make our strips. Let's add some maida. Now you can see our strips are ready. So now we will keep it in a refrigerator for 10 to 20 minutes. I have preheated my oil. Now we will fry our strips. So now our potato strips are ready. So hope you enjoyed our video, and if you really enjoyed our video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.